This car is pure class, absolutely fantastic, sheer elegance and opulence. Jaguar F-Pace portfolio, incredible car. We believe it's got nearly £6,000 worth of factory fitted options. That's correct, £6,000 worth of factory fitted options. 2 litre diesel, 178 brake horsepower, 4-wheel drive. We'll try to remember the spec as I take you around. It is just a fabulous car, bought from direct one local owner, a friend of mine, who really did spec it up as a special present to himself. I think he just sat there with the options list and just ticked the boxes. Totally cherished. It is gorgeous. Let's take you all the way around. Reverse camera, parking sensors front and rear, electric tailgate, great size boot on it. All the loading area totally unmarked, not a scratch anywhere, not a mark. Beautiful inside. Split folding rear seats, 3-load facility. Easy to drop the seats down, just pull the levers. So quick, so easy to release those. Spare wheel, complete toolkit. Bodywork is beautiful all the way around. No nasty dents, scratches or scuffs. It's a 2017 on a 67 plate with full Jaguar service history. Got these upgraded alloy wheels, 5 twin spoke, all of them absolutely unmarked. This is how the car came in. They're just beautiful. Matching tyres all the way around, not long been fitted, so there's plenty of life left on those. Front parking sensors, headlight power washers, just to show you all the close-ups. No nasty stone chips or anything. It is beautiful. You have to remember it's a 2017 car. We don't claim to sell new cars, but we do provide the best hand-picked used cars in the country. Panoramic roof, rear privacy glass. All the trims in great condition, not been abused. Plenty of space in there. Again, all the leather seats, almost like new. Absolutely beautiful. Of course, the great panoramic sunroof makes it very light and airy inside. Lots of space in there. Nice soft leather. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. Keyless entry, keyless start. Again, all the door trims. Electric windows, memory seats. Folding mirrors. Electric steering column adjustment. So you can just get that perfect angle. It's also got cruise control with lane assist. Electric seats, as I mentioned, with memory as well. Look at those seats. Great condition. No damage to those. No scuffs, no marks. Nicely embossed with Jaguar on the head restraints. Not just a panoramic roof, but actually tilt and slide. So if you just want a nice bit of fresh air, or we can have it fully open, let the glorious sunshine in. And if you just want to keep the sunlight out, nice electric blind, one touch. This can be stopped at midway if you so wished. Get all the trims, dashboard, everything is unmarked. Centre armrest, USB, AUX input, media input. Very, very fastidious owner. He really has cherished the vehicle. Of course, all the gadgets. He's got satellite navigation, media, Bluetooth. All nice big screen, all literally finger touch. Heated seats. Just nice and easy to control. Of course, getting the ride is just perfect as well. So various ride modes as well. Reverse camera, just to make it a little bit easier for parking the vehicle. Visual display to show the angle of the car. Various settings to get everything just right in the vehicle for you. All nice and neat just to scroll through. Keyless start. Dual zone climate control, heated seats, heated front windscreen as well, stereo CD, the various drive modes. Okay, clearly on the dashboard. Mileage of just 45,563. Full Jaguar service history. Maintained all the way through. Paddle shift gear change. Great multifunction sport steering wheel. Controls your Bluetooth, the stereo, onboard computer, cruise control, everything all nice at your fingertips. Some of the options on this vehicle are the InControl secure system, iTouch Pro Pack, timed climate control with remote, sliding roof, privacy glass, auto dimming power folding mirrors, gloss black trim. The list is just endless. So many different options on this vehicle, it's unbelievable. So there's a lane detection warning on the dashboard just showing speed awareness. Cruise control with speed limiter. All great functions on it.
You got to say I need
premium sound system. Sounds lovely. So there we have it, our one owner cherished Jaguar F-Pace portfolio with magnificent specification, totally cherished, absolutely beautiful, full Jaguar service history, great value for money. We welcome part exchange, great finance always available direct from ourselves. Check out our HP or PCP deals, work out your low payments, your low deposits, all on our website. So easy to follow through. You can apply online. You can click and reserve this car 24/7 direct to our website. So if you fancy this 2 o'clock in the morning and you want to buy it, to make sure nobody else beats you to it, simply click and reserve. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke on Trent, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars simple, easy, hassle-free process. And we'll describe our cars absolutely accurately. So if you want to buy some of the best cars in the country, we tend to sell those. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Ask about home delivery. The phone number again, 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.